Video 13, Self-Employed and Independent Contractors, Unemployment. Hi, it's Lenna from Cook County Higher Education. Today I want to talk to you about unemployment benefits for people who are self-employed or are independent contractors. In general, folks like that were not considered eligible for unemployment, but because of COVID-19, the federal government has expanded the unemployment programs and made them eligible. So many people who have already applied for unemployment benefits are self-employed or are contractors, and if that's you, you don't need to reapply or do anything differently, but your payments will come from a different program than the just standard unemployment agency of Minnesota. That agency has its own program that they've set up called the Pandemic Unemployment Assistance Program, or the PUA. And that's where your payments will be coming from. So part of the process of this is that they have to identify every single application based off of the old application that was making self-employed and contractor workers ineligible. So they're basically taking these applications that don't have a place on the application for saying I'm self-employed, and they're weeding through your answers and they're trying to find the ones that are clearly folks who are self-employed or contractors. So that's why it's taking so long, and part of the other reason it's taking so long is that the federal government was supposed to provide guidelines on how these PUA benefits could be paid out. So Minnesota, the state of Minnesota has begun their program, their PUA program, and they have started distributing benefits, but there are a lot of people who I know I've spoken to who haven't gotten their benefits yet, and if that's you, don't panic. They're still working on it. You don't need to call. There aren't any extra steps you need to do. They will reach out to you to confirm things. It may take a little while longer still. And if you have questions about this, or you want some help figuring out if your application has gone through, you can also call us here at Higher Ed. We're at 218-387-3411, or you can email me, and my contact information will be below in this post. I've also posted some articles and some detailed information on what it means to be self-employed or an independent contractor and to try to get benefits. If you haven't yet applied, there are special instructions for applying that have just been put into place. So check that out if that's you. And for everyone who's requesting unemployment benefits, don't forget to request a benefit payment every week. You have to do it every week or you won't get your benefit. So you can do that on the link that I've provided below for requesting a benefit payment. That's it for now. Enjoy the sunshine and take care of yourselves.